Hi, welcome to Adams Homes 2,202 square foot plan. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, large covered back porch. Let's go check it out. So when you walk into this home, you've got a formal dining room to one side, and then this other room could be used as an office. It is completely open. It doesn't have French doors or anything, but that would make a great office or maybe a playroom. Nice big open living room. This space here would be the breakfast nook area, and then a nice kitchen. This one has granite counters. And so if you're standing right here, you're still able to talk to everybody that's sitting in the living room. Fridge would go right in that space there. And then this is the pantry space. So the main bedroom is on the side of the house nearest to the kitchen. And it is quite spacious. Dual vanities. Shower. This one has 2 walk-in closets and a soaking tub. And then this one has French doors going out to the covered back porch area, which is really nice. And the laundry room and garage are closest to the kitchen. So other side of the house, there's a bedroom in the back corner. And then this bedroom also does have access to get out to the covered back porch. And the other 2 bedrooms are on this side of the house. And behind the door, there's a linen closet. And then the other bedroom. And let me show you the covered back porch. It is quite spacious. So this yard that you're looking at here, this is a 1/4 acre. And you can see the neighbor has fenced, so pretty much to the edge of their fence. And then quite spacious covered back porch area. Now the nice thing here also is that the builder has put in a cable outlet, a plug, so that if you did want to put a TV out here, you could do that. Also on their outdoor light fixtures, they do come braced for a ceiling fan, so you can add in a ceiling fan later. If you're new to Florida and you're wondering what all of these little plastic pieces are outside of each window, these come off real easy, and they're basically, I'm going to take one off and show you. And so this is where you would put up your storm panels. And Adams does the fabric guard storm panels. They roll up. They're like a thick vinyl type. And as you can see, they attach up here. That plastic piece comes off, and then they come with bolts, nuts and bolts to put them on. And so then in the meantime, when you're not using them, you can put these little plastic pieces in here to keep the bugs from making their nest in there. Also, other thing to let you know is Adams does do a ceiling fan in the living room and in the master. The other bedrooms do not come with a ceiling fan. However, they do come braced for a ceiling fan so that you can add that at a later time. If you have questions about this home or any other new construction home, feel free to call, text, email us anytime. I will put all of our contact info down below. I have owned multiple new construction homes. I do love new construction homes, and I would love to help you if that is what you are looking for. Thanks so much for joining and for watching with us today.